My name is Blessing Njiku, and I'm representing Team Technicians in presenting our solution Kali for the Kenya AI Challenge. Now, we realized one major issue when it gets to farmers within Kenya and Africa. They are unable to access loans for two major reasons. One, they might not have collateral, and two, they might not have an active banking transaction status. That automatically means that banks are unable to give them loans. And honestly, it makes sense, but that doesn't mean that we can't create a solution for them. So that's why we created Kali. Kali is a relationship driven underwriting platform, which means that it's a system that rates every single farmer based on six major points in an algorithm, telling me whether this farmer, in a rate of 1 to 100, can actually pay back this specific loan. So we check these six things, which is one, on the aspect of, are you part of a cooperative? What do your peers actually say about you? Is there a climate risk in your area or for the crop specifically that you have? What's your mobile money transaction status? Because we understand, yes, you might not be part of a bank, but are you receiving money based on M-Pesa? Number five, are you part of a chama or even a peer lending group? This way, we can be able to assess every single farmer and understand what's really going on in their situation. Now, based on this, how it majorly works is, as a farmer, I dial on my phone a USSD code. As I dial it, I am asking for a loan. Now, the rural officer in my area gets my information based on that USSD that I had typed in. They get my name, they get my crops in my area, and from there, the system or the algorithm that we have created automatically scores this farmer. Then the rural officer gets this score broken down, and why exactly are we saying so? And then from there, the rural officer can make a qualified decision on whether or not this farmer should get this loan. Then later on, the farmer immediately receives an SMS telling them whether it has been approved or it has been declined, and then they get their money. Or if it has been declined, they don't get their money. So we are a team of two members, me, Blessings Wanjiku, and my lovely co-founder. His name is Eugene Mutembe. And with this, we have created Kali. What I'm about to show you is version one. We are still iterating and working to ensure that what we are providing is good enough. We have used Neo4j to ensure that we are able to create a lovely RAG pipeline, and not just a RAG pipeline. We're ensuring that using graphs, we can create the best algorithm. Hey, that's a lot of the pitch deck. Let me run you through what we actually built. So I had already logged in so that I can really hurry this process up. But what we can see here is the dashboard of a normal rural officer on a normal day-to-day basis. So from here, they can be able to tell analytics for the past 8 weeks. And not just that, they can pick on a farmer's profile and they can be able to see, like for David, he has been rated at 28 out of 100. But why is this so? They give out a climate context, the graph network signals, and the drivers or the drags for David. And in this situation, David has been rated at 28. So that means I will decline with a reason. Once I decline, and I commit decision and dispatch, it is automatically sent to David's phone. Now, that way, we can be able to easily tell and easily ensure that every farmer is accounted for. Again, this was just in a rush. I'm going to send you the link. The link is in the pitch deck. Please feel free to just go through it, peruse it, and hey, see you at the hackathon. Thank you.